Broadcaster Ben Tulfo claims he is now a persona non grata in Tingloy, Batangas. Tulfo wrote about it in his column for Filipino Star ngayon. Tulfo believes his expose about Tingloy Mayor Larry Alvarez and his wife is the reason. The broadcaster reported about the mayor's gimmick naming the social amelioration program after his wife. Tulfo said the ILG Yusek Martin Dino confirmed that renaming it is illegal. But the Alvarez couple weren't in the list of politicos suspended for alleged SAP irregularities. Tulfo also wrote about the mayor allegedly slapping and hurting those who didn't vote for him in the 2019 elections. The BTAG host said he's considering confronting Alvarez because the mayor has been ignoring his calls.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.